Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Lucy Rosiana. I'm a student of English program education in Indraprasta PGRI University. Today I would like to present my thesis proposal. The name is The Effect of Perception on Digital Media and Past Tense Mastery Towards Narrative Text Reading Skill. You can see in this screen, I would like to share the background and the research questions of my research. First is background of the study. The background of the study is narrative text reading skill among state junior high school students in Bekasi Regency remains far from optimal, that influenced by two key factors. First is perceptions on digital media as the X1 variables. This is integration of digital media is still ineffective due to student varied perceptions. Some find it helpful, but others find it distracting, resulting in an unequal participation and reduced instructional effectiveness. Sometimes, for the students, when the teachers use media to help them learning English, it can be confusing because maybe they are has no cognitive ability to differentiate or to identify the media itself. And then the second is mastery of simple past tense as the X2 variables that students frequently fail to recognize past verb forms and temporal markers, hindering their ability to understand the chronological sequence of events in narrative text. The third is the dependent variable that we are known as Y variable is narrative text reading skill, finding factual information, identifying main ideas, determining words meanings in context, and identifying references. So the formulation of the problems, first, is there a significant effect of students' perception on digital media for the first variable on their narrative text reading skill? And the second, is there a significant effect of students' mastery of the simple past tense on their narrative text reading skills? And then the last questions, or the last research question, is there a significant simultaneous effect of X1 variable and X2 variable on narrative text reading skill? Now we go to the research method. In my research, I will do quantitative research methodology. X1, or the variable 1, is student perception on digital media. The second variable is mastery of simple past tense, and the last, or the Y variable, is narrative text reading skill. I will do my research in two schools in Bekasi Regency. First, in SMP Negeri 1 Tambun Utara, that consists of 424 students. And the second school is SMP Negeri 2 Tambun Utara, that consists of 360 students. So I'm using Slovin formula at 10% margin of error. So I found that I will do my research in 89 students. The sample of the first school will be done at 48 students, and the second school will be done in 41 students. So this is the via proportionate stratified cluster random sampling. Now we go to the research instrument and data analysis. Perception on digital media X1. I will do a questionnaire measuring four aspects based on the technology acceptance model. Davis 1989, that are four aspects. First is perceived usefulness. The second is perceived ease of use. The third is absolute interest. And the last one is technical barriers. As we can see in here, the instrument, the aspect of the instrument, the second is narrative text reading skill. Oh no, I will go to the simple past tense mastery X2 first. The instrument or data analysis will be measured or will be catch or will be done by writing text student ability. First, to identify regular or irregular verbs form, and then the second is use temporal markers correctly. And the last is apply negative and interrogative past structure. Then the last variable will be measured by written tests of 20 short answer items, covering actual information, findings, identification of main idea, word meaning based on context. Then the last is reference determination. So the data analysis technique first will be descriptive, that will measure by mean, median, mode, SD, frequency distribution, prerequisite test, normality, by using Kolmogorov or Smirnov and Shapiro-Wilk, and homogeneity. And the last thing is hypothesis testing by using partial t-test H1 and H2 and simultaneous f-test or H3. So that's all from me about my research proposal. I hope this research will make a meaningful contribution to improving the quality of English language instruction, particularly in developing narrative text reading skills among state junior high school students in Bekasi Regency. Thank you for your attention and see you.